Yeah, this is the newest travel pillow, which is supposed to replace the, around the neck kind. It comes in this bag. I don't know. I've been fiddling around with this. It looks like this. This is an extra cover, which I do like because I can wash this. Anything that's in an airplane, I always like to wash. So I couldn't do that with my travel pillow. I didn't have a fancy one, so I put that over also to make this thing here softer. And then I just don't know. Okay, I have it back on. No, not quite. Okay, so now, okay, so it's back on. Then you have this ginormous buckle in here, and if you're not careful, you're pulling the wrong way, you pull this whole thing off. Happens, and then it's hard to get that back on, but I managed to do that. So I guess then, depending on where you're sitting on the plane and where you want your head to go, you put it on, and let's do, yeah. Oh yeah, oh my gosh. I thought this was going to be the most uncomfortable thing ever. Wow. But I had it on before. I must have had it on wrong. I have to remember how this goes. Because this feels supportive now. Oh, absolutely. I sleep. I could sleep sitting up in the car like this, in the plane, on the plane, definitely. Let's see how, oh yeah, okay. I had it on wrong, okay, because when you have it on wrong, then it will hurt your shoulder when you put the weight of your head in there. But if this feels all comfortable, that's when you have it on right. Wow. Yeah. Also, if this starts choking you, you have it on wrong. Notice that also. So you gotta just find that, I don't know, that sweet spot, that perfect spot, according to where you're sitting, what side you're sitting, which way your head is gonna lean, and try not to strangle yourself in the process. But yeah, I go. Yeah, wow, okay. I was not, see, I did it wrong the whole time, and now I did it right for the first time, and now I like it. Did not like it at first. You gotta play around with things. And now there's no more pressure here. Nothing digs into here. That was my problem when I had it on the wrong way. I have to remember that the logo should always be there. Yeah, now it's comfy. And hey, also I didn't, like I said, I didn't think this was gonna work, but I looked at other people's reviews and took a chance on it. Got a long flight coming up, so now this you pack flat into that, it takes away a little less space than your normal travel pillow, neck travel pillow. You can make it flat, put it in the back, stuff it in your backpack or wherever, or even hang it. See, you can hang this. So I'm actually surprised, really. I thought this wasn't gonna be anything good, but don't give up on it, and make it when it first hurts, when it chokes you, when you put your head to the side, it hurts, you have pressure here, then you have it on wrong. Just fiddle around till you've got it right, just like I got finally right, and then it does feel good, actually.